This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use the grid method to enlarge a drawing. To begin, gather your materials, your original artwork, a ruler, a pencil, and your chosen drawing surface. The grid method is a fantastic technique for accurately scaling images. Start by carefully drawing a grid of equally sized squares directly onto your reference image. For example, you might use 1-inch squares. This initial step is crucial for maintaining proportions throughout the process. Now, let's scale your grid. Decide how much larger you want your drawing to be. Perhaps you aim for a 3-to-1 enlargement. If your original grid squares were 1 inch, your new squares will be 3 inches. Carefully measure and draw this larger grid onto your drawing surface. Precision here is key, as it ensures your final artwork maintains correct proportions and looks exactly as intended. With your grids ready, it's time to transfer your image. Pick a starting square on your reference and find its corresponding square on your larger drawing surface. Carefully observe the lines and shapes within that single square. Lightly sketch these details into the larger square, focusing on accuracy. Work systematically, moving from one square to the next until your entire image is lightly outlined. This step builds the foundation of your enlarged drawing. Finally, it's time to refine your enlarged drawing. Once all the individual squares are transferred, step back and connect the lightly sketched lines to create a cohesive outline. After you are satisfied with the overall form, gently erase all the grid lines. Now, you can add all the intricate details, shading, and textures, transforming your outline into a finished piece. Your enlarged drawing is now complete and ready to be admired.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.